My name is Mason. I'll be presenting on the Wi-Fi problem that Tiqvah is having. The main problem that Tiqvah is having is the thick walls in the church. That is definitely interrupting all the Wi-Fi signals that can be pushed out. The signal is poor is due to the thick walls, and the signal doesn't travel far enough from the router. It is also due because of the thick walls. So we concluded that that is the main problem that's causing the Wi-Fi to be poor. We come up with 4 solutions, suggestions that can help fix this problem. The first suggestion is to relocate the router. We realize that is an expensive cost, but we do believe that it would be the most beneficial when you guys are trying to create a tech program and add mobile devices or tablets, computers, anything that connects to Wi-Fi. It's great to have a better signal so it doesn't crash. You guys have the best signal. The second suggestion is to add multiple access points. You guys noticed when you walked in there was a big blue and gray, looks like a mini computer with 4 antennas off of it. That's a mobile access point. It creates a better signal. We have them all over walls. There's thick walls here, and so they realize that to have a better signal, they need multiple access points. All you need to do is get an Ethernet cable, and from the main router, you can run it up to a mobile access point, and it can give off a better signal in a different location. So if you want signal upstairs or downstairs, that's going to be important for wherever you put all the devices that need Wi-Fi connection. They're relatively cheap, $40. I'm sure the building's not the biggest, so I'm sure there's only a few of them, so that could be a low cost to add a better Wi-Fi signal. The third suggestion is raise the router. If you add multiple access points, to make sure to put them on the ceilings. That's where every one of them is around a wall. They're in the dorms, right outside if you want to check it out. So it gives off a better signal. It doesn't have anything interrupting you. So if it was down on the ground, there would be tables in the way, desks, anything that's metal is going to interrupt the Wi-Fi connection, the signal that it can put off. So having them higher up prevents something being in the way. This suggestion is free, so if you want to do that and it works, then that's awesome, and you have a better Wi-Fi signal. And the fourth suggestion we have is purchase a stronger antenna for the current router. So we realize the router's in a really bad spot in the basement. It's hard to get signal through the first floor or around the basement, depending on how thick the walls are in the basement. You guys have desks around that people sit at and everything. So that could be another suggestion. And if it doesn't have a router antenna on it already, our suggestion is to get an antenna for it. It will increase the Wi-Fi that puts out. The signal will be better. So having a stronger antenna rather than the current antenna, or if you guys don't have one, it's around $10, give or take a few dollars. But we're working on a tech grant as well, so you guys can have the possibility to add all these devices I've been talking about this whole time, and my group is going to talk about the rest of that. So enjoy the rest of the presentation, and thank you. Sorry I couldn't be here.